What is up, everyone? What is up? Are you guys there? Okay, now is only one person. Yeah, please let me know. Let me test the chatting box. I have something to tell you guys. Something urgent. Something just happened. I believe that's all I can do. Hello guys, I'm not gonna wait as a people. I'm just start what I should say, what just happened. I just received my sister voice message from WeChat, right? That's the only platform I contact with my parents. And my sister just I can let you guys listen some of the things. It's my mother language, okay? It's Uyghur language. Just wanna you guys hear. Here's a lot of conversation, okay? It's like happened less than 1 hour ago. See, now is like 2:50. Oops, I mean it's not clear. It just happened. I just received. I was talking with my sister till she stopped replying me. It's midnight over there, probably she already so tired or whatever. I don't even want to think about it, but I just want to do what I should do, okay? All right, my sister almost cried. My sister cried, basically. You can hear from here. Okay, let's start from the beginning. It's the best. She said, hey, are you there? I typed Chinese since communists monitoring us. I wanna them know. So yes, I am. And then my sister said, are you? She said, yeah. Are you there? If you're there, I want to tell you something. I said, okay, go ahead. She asked my wife, my daughter, and then she started saying a lot. I don't want to, since I already did this stream in my Uyghur language. I played it from the beginning. If it's necessary, I get the clip from there. I don't want to show all what my sister said, but I want to just tell you guys main idea.
Dadam sana nasihat, nurg'un nasihatlarni qilgan bu, sening ukam. Bizni seni bek yaxshi ko'ramiz-ku, bilsan-ku. Dadam seni nurg'un nasihatlarni chiqargan. Sen bu yaxshi o'qishingni o'qib, iliq oilani tutib, balani sog'lom cho'ng qilib, shunday qil. Bizni o'ylab qo'y. Menga, bolalarimga, ota-onamga barliq urug' tuqqanlarimga ta'siri bo'lganligini bildi. Esingni chiqtib. Endi biz sen bilan bundan milqqa yo'qshab ketishni faqat xohlamaymiz. Mening 10 qarindoshim yo'q. Dadamga o'xshab 9 qarindoshim, yo opamga o'xshab 6 qarindoshim yo'q, canım ukam.
Yeah. She basically cried at the end. What she said is, do you remember what we would discuss before you leave? Like my parents, my father and me, we always, what we told you, don't do anything. Basically, before I came to United States, they always like saying like, don't do anything, don't involve anything politically, because we all here. You're gonna put us in danger. He keeps saying that. I promised them. But I was not talking that harsh. Not talking with my mother language in my YouTube. I only make some YouTube video, like a very short YouTube video. I never get this type of call from my parents until that guy Miradil Hasan appeared, screamed help from my channel. So from the moral way, I helped him. I spread his voice because I said I'm a justice believer. I believe in justice. Anything unfair anything injustice, we should speak up. That's what I always say in my YouTube channels. And as a guy from inside of China, he suffers so much. He suffers so much in his life. It's totally a different story. If you're interested, go ahead and check who is Miradil Hasan. I have interview with him. I had a stream, and then she speak up. She stand up. Eventually, right after 3 days, she disappeared, and we got a call. We got a message. He already got arrested. Then I'm so sad. Since my Justice Believers group, one of the member already starting to disappear because of we are Uyghurs. We just speak up and we got quiet and disappear. I worry about his life. Of course, I worry about my parents' life too, but his life is also life. He's not nothing. I don't know, never met that guy. I only know him, his life. I feel bad if I think I don't help him. This is gonna be bad in my moral way and in my religious. It just doesn't work for me. It's in my parents or my culture or my Uyghur didn't taught me like that. Be quiet, be silent when someone when asking your help. That's why I was thinking so much. Eventually, I think couple hours. I was consulting couple guys, but none of them agree. I speak up for him since China might gonna threat my parents, but I think I should do the right thing. If God or if my life arranged it and made that guy came to me and asking help from me, I should do it. I should do the right thing every single second. That's why I speak up. Now my sister crying and asking me stop, asking me thinking about my relatives in China, my relatives, my sister, my cousins. She's crying. Why is she crying? She worried. She's scared because China gonna take her to concentration camp or end her life or kill her. I don't know. China killed millions of Uyghurs. My sister is same, nothing different with other Uyghurs. So she might scare. She cried. She crying and screaming me to stop. And I said, yo, don't worry. I tried to. She said, I know everything what you're doing outside. Someone come and tell us all the time. It means from the internet, it's a block. You cannot go YouTube or Google Chinese Communist Cop and go ask him her question probably, or told her what happened, what I'm doing. So they tried to stop me by threatening my family members, direct family members, my sister, my parents. They try to threaten me and then keep me quiet. So, guys, my question is, what should I do? What do you do if you were me? My question again and again. If you are Uyghurs, what you would do? Please, let me know. If you're right, I will follow, I will listen. But my mind, my heart telling me, do not scare evil. Stand up for your right. That's what I got from my heart. That's why I am standing up again and try to the world know how evil Chinese is. Chinese Communist Party is. And you're still making money with them. You're still using us as a slave, and you're buying their product made by my people. Those Uyghurs lost their freedom, lost their life just for making the cotton clothes for you, making the shoes for you, making those electronic things for you. If you believe you used anything from Uyghurs, slave, so it's time to, if you regret, it's time for you to speak up for us, stand up for us, join us, join our Justice Believer group, join our Discord. Come and do something for us if you want. I'm not asking anything. At least you can share our video, speak a little against Chinese communists, what they're doing. That's what they do. If I speak up, my parents are under threat. It's proven again. What do you want? Do you need any more evidence? I can still provide more evidence. I have a lot of Uyghur guys in China. They're challenging. They're risking their life speaking up in my Discord. I can make a live stream with them. You can listen their voice like you listen like what you know about Miradil Hasan. But Uyghurs voice nowadays maximum can last only 3 days. 3 days, guys. The whole your life. You only allowed because Miradil Hasan become fearless and he speak up and only takes 3 days till the cop Chinese communists catch him. We need to save the Miradil Hasan. We need to save the Miradil Hasan. We need to keep spreading his information till the world know. Till the Fox News, CNN, BBC, all those big media report his story to the world. That's what I want. That is the best way you help me save my parents as well. So would you love to help us? Would you love to stand up? Would you love to speak up? It's all up to you. Again, this is a historical moment for Uyghurs, for the world. Please stay smart and stay healthy mentally when you do anything. When you share every single video. There's only two, truth and false, right and wrong. Please pick the correct one and do it. For us, if you can share my video, share Miradil Hasan's video, let the world know how Chinese is surrounding us. Even though I am abroad, how they surround use my parents. And are you still stand for the Chinese Communist Party? Or you want Chinese Communist Party and soon? Let me know. I am, because of Miradil Hasan, become fearless already. That's why I am brave enough to show you guys what just happened. Here is a message. They tried to silence me through my sister's sad voice. But I came here risking their life, my life, or Miradil Hasan's life, Uyghurs' future, reporting it. So, it's all up to you. What are you gonna do? Do you gonna let the world know, help us, Miradil Hasan's story becomes the top news in the world, or you wanna assist China, be quiet, and keep buying made in China, made by slave stuff? I mean, it's all your decision. We don't force any people, any person to do anything. But I'm just warning you. This life, you feel like long enough for you to do everything, but it's also short enough to do the correct thing. So if you have a chance to help, if you can have a chance to help someone, I choose help Miradil Hasan. Do you? How about you? So please, guys, stand up. If you believe what we're doing here is correct, then join us. Let's punch CCP harder together. We need, Uyghurs need, the world need, and CCP, and bring the justice back to this world. If you don't realize that, you will never able to take off your mask. Trust me. This is nothing just I'm saying. Imagine from the beginning to the end. We were screaming for help, speaking about justice for 70 years since we got invaded by Chinese Communist Party. But no one believed. No one agreed. They always believe we are exaggerating. We said organ harvesting. No one believed. We said concentration camp. No one believed. We saying forced marriage. No one believed. But after Chinese communists spread virus, bioweapon virus to the world, now they start thinking about it. Like Donald Trump did. Donald Trump was best friend with Xi Jinping. Eventually he wake up. Try to save his people from Chinese Communist Party. Do you want to save your family or yourself from Chinese Communist Party or not? It's all up to you. If you want, you can join us. If you don't want, you are indirectly assisting Chinese Communist Party doing this ethnic cleansing toward Uyghurs. I might die one day very soon or in the future, God knows. But remember my word, guys. It's gonna prove very soon. If you want to take off the mask entirely, forever, and Chinese Communist Party with us together. Let's do it. I might gonna lose my parents, my sister, or my other relatives very soon. Their organ might get stolen because I speak up. But I don't care. I'm coming here to do the right things. Not something even wrong and false. I still have to do. No. I just do the right things. I believe. And I'll follow my heart to do the right things, correct things for my people forever from this moment. Do you want to join our Justice Believer group? Support Uyghurs. All I want is just share this video, give a like button. Just share. If you believe what I'm saying, just help us. We will return your help. What you did for Uyghurs. Trust me. If we want, the God will. The God will return, reward you. Trust me. Just please, let this voice, let this video spread to the world and let the world know what is going on to Uyghur at this moment. One of our member already disappeared. My family, which is I built since I speak up. I'm building this community carefully, and one guy joined me because he's Justice Believer too, and then he got arrested. He disappeared. He might die. But we don't care. That's called Justice Fighter. That's how we fight. We just speak up. If you want joining us, please let me know. Please let us getting stronger. I give a bigger and bigger punch to Chinese Communist Party. Let's do it. Thank you guys. Thanks for listening. And please share this video to everyone you know. Please spread this to the world. Thank you.